their school. I believe that to be good in sports, humility is a must. I thank you. Good morning to all of you. My name is Mulindy Aragon, representing grade 6. May kasabihan po tayo, ipakita ang buong lakas at husay sa bawat laro na parang ito na ang iyong huling karera. Just play, have fun, and enjoy the game. Thank you.
Baitang 5.
Good day, everyone. My name is Rachel Ann Bidimaano. I'm 10 years old of age, representing Miss Intramurals in grade 5. And I believe, what is the use of beauty if your brain is empty? I thank you.
Grade 4.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Sarah May Pilacerna, representing in grade 4. I believe that sport is the key to have a healthy mind and sexy body. Thank you.
Grade 3.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Gina A. Perez, 7 taong ko lang, nasa 3 baitang ng paaralang elementarya ng Kilo. May kasabihan po tayo, ang hindi batang sport ay laging talo pag naglaro.
Grade 2.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Johanna Vincent Timagnaye. Alam na taong gulang. Lagi po natin tatandaan na paligsahan, maglaro, magsaya, mag-enjoy. Salamat.
Baitang 2, pangkat 2.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rika Angela Aramas. I am 7 years old. I live in Kilo, Ibaan, Batangas.
Baitang 1.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mary Antoinette M. Amido. In grade 1 UP. Thank you.
Kindergarten.
Ako po si Iris Bianca Ilos. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Iris Bianca Ilos na news ng kindergarten. Maraming